All right, guys, here we go. We are going to multiply these numbers. Instead of dividing this time, again, I'm going to change these to multiplication so that you can see and we can review what we do when we multiply numbers by multiples of 10. In this case, we have 2.5 times 100. Well, whenever we multiply numbers by multiples of 100, again, we just count the zeros. In this case, we have 2 zeros, and we're going to move to the right because we're multiplying this time, okay? So 2.5 times 100, we're going to move this decimal place 2 to the right. So 1, 2. We have a gap. What do we do with that gap? We fill it with a 0 and we put our decimal place. So the first answer on B would be 250. Now again, these are not in your book. In your book, we were dividing by multiples of 10, but I just want to review this for going forward so that you have a really good understanding of the difference between dividing and multiplying by multiples of 10. All right, so the next one, D, we have 87.5 times 100, okay? So again, we have how many zeros? We have 2 zeros because we're multiplying by 100. We're going to take that 0 and we're going to move it 2 to the right. We have a gap. We're going to fill that gap with a 0 and put our decimal place. So that answer would be 8,750, okay? Hopefully you're catching on pretty quickly. I know you are because you guys are such a great class and you guys really catch on very quickly. You make my job really easy. All right, so the next one, we have 0.5 times 100. How many decimals do we see? Or how many zeros do we see? Excuse me. We have 2 zeros, but this time, again, we are multiplying. So that means we're moving to the right. All right, so we're going to take that decimal place. Okay, we're going to take that decimal place and we're going to move it 2 to the right. 1, 2. We have a gap, so we need to fill it with a 0. So our final answer would be 0.50. Okay, all right, one more and then we're going to be done with this lesson. Hopefully it has been pretty easy. It should be review for most of you because we actually did it in class before the break. All right, so 25 times 100. All right, where's our decimal place? So let's go ahead and put 25. Where's our decimal place? Well, actually, the decimal place right now, we don't see it, but it's there. Isn't it right there? Right? And we're going to multiply that times 100. All we got to do is just take that decimal place and move it 2 to the right. So 1, 2. This time we have 2 gaps. Well, what do we do with gaps when we're multiplying or dividing? Yeah, we just fill them with a 0. So I'm going to put a 0 there. I'm going to put a 0 there. And my final answer is 2500 point whatever, right? So my answer is actually 2,500. Can't wait to see you guys. I hope you are enjoying the break, and I hope this is helping on some of the homework.